tell me. All my real estate keeps going up in value. My rents have tripled. My houses have quadrupled. Just keep selling your house and moving to Colorado, because you know, when you're one earthquake away from us being oceanfront property. So what's the difference, right? And we don't have the 405. You can actually get, that's why, you know, you do escrow closings here in California. Everywhere else in the country, people meet face to face to do a closing. And I figured out why. There's no way two people can get on the 405 to the same place in the same day. They can only do one closing a day. It doesn't work. That's why everyone has to do it in pieces and parts remotely. That was funnier than it came off. Some of you got it. Some of you will get that later. This isn't TV, by the way. I can see you. If I throw the ball out, you can throw it back. Okay? All right. So today we're going to talk about how to buy super real estate deals without banks, without credit, with little or no money down. And like I said, I live in Colorado Springs, and you know, it's most of the time it's pretty warm. A lot of people